Hi, welcome to Phonics. Today we are going to be working on long vowels versus short vowels. Let's take a look at our goal and read it together. The goal is, I can, oh, look at this word. Let's break it into syllables. Recognize. Recognize. I can recognize long and short vowel sounds and their spellings. I can recognize long and short vowel sounds and their spellings. This is Reading Foundation K3B. To start off, let's talk about types of letters. We have letters in the English language, and there are two types of letters. Do you know what they are? That's right. Did you say vowels and consonants? Say that word with me, vowels. Say it again, vowels. Do you know what our vowels are? Don't shout them out. Just think. Do you know what our vowels are? Let's write it down here. Let's segment it. Vowels. V, ow, e, o, z. V, ow. The ow here is spelled. That's right, O-W. Vowel. Z. And here, because it's a voice consonant, that S is going to make the Z sound. We have vowels, and the other letters are consonants. Say that word with me, and let's break it into syllables. Consonants. Do it again. Consonants. Let's spell it. Con. N. Consonants. Vowels and consonants. So let's talk about vowels and consonants. We have vowels, and they are incredibly important to know because every syllable has, that's right, at least one vowel sound. Every syllable has one vowel sound. So when we're reading, it's really important for us to know our vowels. Do you know what they are? They are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Say those with me. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. All of the other letters are, that's right, consonants. All of the other letters are consonants. So let's do this little sort here, just using your mind. Whoa, let's see. Oh, first, let's wait. Let's not do our sort yet. I want you to visualize. So stop, close your eyes, and visualize. Close your eyes. What do you see in your mind right now? Can you make it blank? Oh, some of you don't have your eyes closed. Close those eyes. I want you to picture the letter D in your mind. Visualize the letter D. Visualize the uppercase D. Do you see it? Big line down, frog jump up, big curve. That D is a consonant. Okay, switch that brain up, switch that out of there, and close your eyes again. Your eyes should be closed. Visualize an E. Do you have it in there? Make it a lowercase e now. Baseball throw, run around first, second, stop at third, and there is your lowercase e. Okay, open your eyes. Were you able to get those letters in your mind? Were you able to visualize them? This time I want you to close your eyes and visualize the vowels. Okay, don't talk. I want you to do this all in your brain. Close your eyes, blank it out. Visualize the vowels. Do you have the letter A? Is it an uppercase A or a lowercase a? Can you visualize E? So we have A, E, I, O, U, and Y. Are they all in there? Okay, open your eyes. Those are our vowels. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. I'm putting this sometimes Y because when Y is at the beginning of a word, it is a consonant. It says y, y. But when it's at the end or in the middle of the word, it's going to say e, I, or I. So this is why it'll make a vowel sound. So let's look. Do you see any that are vowels? Let's try to find all of our vowels. Oh, he's got wonky. I see a vowel. Did you see this one? Yeah. What letter is that? Oh, no. This is uppercase O, and it is a vowel. Any more? Yes. Do you find this one? This is lowercase I, and it is that's right, a vowel. Any more? Oh, look at him. This is uppercase E. It is that's right, a vowel. Anything else? There's an A. This is just any A. It's uppercase A. That is a vowel. Here is uppercase I. I'm going to put him right there underneath lowercase I. I see one more. Can you find it? The last vowel is U. Is this uppercase or lowercase? It's uppercase U. A. I'm going to put them in order. A, E, I, O, U. These are our vowels. The rest of these letters are consonants. The rest of these letters are consonants. We have lowercase s, lowercase m, lowercase n, uppercase D, and uppercase H. The rest of these words are consonants. Our focus today is going to be on vowels and vowel sounds. Let's take a look at what you've been working on with short vowels. So short vowels do not say their name. These vowels are often tricky because they say different sounds. Some vowels will say I, a, ah, and sometimes the vowels will say a, e, I, o, u. This is vowel town. This is where the town of the vowels live. And notice in vowel town that there is a hill that vowels live. This is vowel hill. And here's wide open valley. A valley is a open space between two hills or mountains. So if you're a geography buff, a valley is going to be a low-lying area between high-rising mountains or hills. In this case, a hill. This is to help you remember what your mouth does. This is Smile Hill because guess what? Sorry, read my mind. My mouth is going to make a smile. Get it really tight. Make a really tight, uncomfortable smile. Now open your teeth just a little bit. Like you could stick a piece of paper in there. Not very thick at all. That's what my mouth is going to do up here. It's going to get really tight. And then my jaw is going to drop. Not the top jaw, the bottom jaw is going to drop all the way to wide open valley. Don't do these with me. I just want you to watch my mouth. Your turn. Do it with me, silently. Get it really tight. Ready? Now listen. Don't interrupt even if you know. Get it really tight. I don't know if it here you can see it. Ah. Just listen again. Ah. Your turn. Me and then you. Even if you know the sound, do not say it with me. Say it after me. Really tight. Ah. These are all vowels, and they are all saying the short vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds are, let's do them all together. Ah. Well, if those are short, what are the long vowels? That's right. Long vowels are when they say their name. Our long vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Let's make ourselves long. So make your arms really up high. I'm going to put them here so you can see me, but make yourself super long for when we say our long vowels. Do it again. Really high up. A, E, I, O, U. Now we're doing vowel sounds, which means we will not have Y in there. The sound is E, I, or I. Don't say Y. I want sounds, not letters. Short vowel sounds. Say it with me. Go down. Go down and touch your knees or your feet. I, ah. So stand up, plant your feet. When I ask you for long vowels, you're going to go as high as you can, as long as you can, and say A, E, I, O, U. Short vowels, you're going to go down and you're going to say I, A, ah. Ready? When I touch my knees, I'm going to bend down at my knees and touch my toes. Don't go bending over so that you don't see my face. I need you to still see me up here. All right, ready? Long vowels, go. A, E, I, O, U. Short vowels. I, A, ah. Back to the middle. Short vowels, go. Down. I, A, ah. Middle. Long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Here's your challenge, and I want to see how fast you can do this without talking. I'm going to give you a word that either has a long vowel, A, E, I, O, U, or a short vowel sound, I, ah. Up if it's a long vowel word, down if it's a short vowel. But don't say anything. I want you to just think. Visualize that vowel. Did you hear what I said? Visualize the vowel. Visualize the spelling in your head, but don't shout it out. Here's your first word. Pit. Pit. Did you go down? That's right. And this is what you answer. When I ask you for the sound, I want you to say short vowel I. Ready? Pit. Short vowel I. Here's your next word. Kite. That's right. Up. K. Segment it. K. I. T. Put it here too if you need to. K. I. T. The vowel sound is I. That is a long vowel. It says its name. Kite. I. I want to see how fast you can do it, but it's not a race. If you need to segment it, do it. If you need to put it here, do it. If you need to put it on your fingers, do it. If you can just hear it, do it. Put it up, put it down. Do what you need to do to figure that out quickly. Here's your next one. Pat. Ooh, did you go down? Ready? Say the vowel sound with me. Pat. Short vowel, A. Last one. Cape. Yeah. Ready? Long vowel, A. K. A. P. K. A. There it is. It is long vowel A. It says its name. Your job is to start listening for long vowels versus short vowels. What does your name have in it? Does your name have short vowels or long vowels? You might have R control vowels or diphthongs, but we'll get there. Good luck.